back to my channel, everyone. So we are on with our monthly reads, and we are gonna have the read for the sign of Scorpio for the month of October 2020. Let's see what comes up for all the Scorpions out there. So what's going on with all our Scorpios for the month of October 2020? Let's see. Okay. Okay, Scorpions. I think that for most of the Scorpions, I feel that you were in some kind of love relationship with, you were in some kind of a love relationship with someone, and you thought that you will be marrying this person, or you thought that this person is for you, but all of a sudden something happened, and in the recent past you got to know about all these things, and now you're thinking of whether to stay or to leave this person. Although the chords are still connected, I still don't see you moving on. In your recent past, for sure, you definitely have not moved on from this person, because I see the chords connected here. But you will have to end this situation. Yeah, you will have to definitely end this situation. I do see that your mind, your intuition is telling you that this situation needs to end, and you will have to move on with your life. This situation has pretty much ended. Why did this situation end? We can just clarify this thing in a second. Okay, angels, why did Scorpions ended the situation? Okay. Your intuition guided you about something, or maybe you just got an opportunity in your life, that maybe you got a new opportunity in your life. It could be related, more or less. I see that this opportunity is related to some kind of career. Either you got it, or it could be your partner. It could be that your partner got a different position in their job, or a different career, or they just had like a lot of opportunities. Your partner just moved on in their life, leaving you behind. So the best thing for you to do is just simply move on. And I think some of the Scorpions have already decided to move on, and some of you are still juggling onto this situation, because I do see some kind of sadness related to this. Yeah, I don't see that they have moved on with another person, but it's more of like a career thing, that either they just pursued a different career and went on with their life, and just told you that they gotta move on with their life, and they don't want to be involved in any kind of a love relation at the moment. And you were thinking of marriage or something, and it just did not work out for both of you guys. It's not like that person cheated on you. Yeah, I don't see cheating here at all, but I do see you heartbroken. I do see sadness in your chart, that this thing has affected you a lot. But in the current situation, I see you in your strength. You know that you are the magician. You know that you can just take this thing to a completely different level. You can pick yourself up and move. yes, for some time, definitely in your mind, you are juggling between two things. In your mind, this person is still there, but you are pretty much stable. Like, I would say 90% of the Scorpios are pretty much stable and have already thought of ending this position in their recent past and have moved on with their life. But then, you know, this thing just comes on and off in your life, because whenever you think about this person, you again feel distressed. You feel, you know, why did that person leave your life? Yeah, we'll just take some clarifications here for some cards in your near future. Yeah, you will have to make a decision for sure, because this person has moved on with their life. This person is not thinking of going into a love relationship with anyone, not just with you, but with anyone. This person, I feel, is more concerned about their study, their career, their job, and you know, they are not giving their full attention, or maybe they just don't want to get married right now. Yeah, and in your near future, I do see you struggling a little bit with these emotions, with this emotional imbalance. But I do see abundance coming here. And once you see the abundance coming, you will feel so relaxed, you will feel so much emotionally stable, that you will have abundance in your finances, you will have abundance in your health, you will also move on with your career. I don't see that any other person is coming into your life for now, at least for the month of October. You will be more concerned about your job and your finances. It's not a thing to worry, but you know, you will shift your focus onto your job and those things, and you will feel that, you know, you are getting abundance. But yeah, in the near future also, whenever you think about your love life, you will feel a little bit emotionally unstable, and just some kind of sadness will be there. You will have to meditate and just let that sadness go away, because you know, if that thing, or if that person has to be in your life, that person will come back. I mean, just don't focus on those things right now. I know it's easy to say, but you just don't focus on those things right now. Try and meditate, try and let go of this thing, because you have a lot of stability coming up in your near future. Sadness in terms of emotional imbalance because of this person for sure, because there's nobody else coming in your life. Neither this person is, I don't see this person coming back, at least in the month of October. And even your overall situation is just for the month of October, your overall emotions will be, yes, you will see abundance coming in your job, you will see happiness, you'll see your finances flourishing, but you know, whenever you think about this person, that little sadness is definitely gonna be there for sure. But you will have to meditate and just let it go. Yeah, that's all what's coming up for you, Scorpions, for the month of October 2020. But I know Scorpions are pretty stable. You will be able to deal with this thing. It's not a big deal for you, Scorpions. Just focus on your job, focus on your finances. That's gonna give you happiness. Go party with your friends, and you can deal with this thing. Don't think about that person. If that person is meant to come back into your life, that person will, because I don't see that person moving on with somebody else. That person just moved on because They were maybe younger, or they were more focused in their job, or maybe they just got an opportunity that they just couldn't lose, and their intuition told them to do that. I don't see deception here at all. Okay, now we will just see what the universe wants to guide you for the month of October. Let's see what the universe wants to guide all of our Scorpions for the month of October 2020. Yeah, you're the king of your life. You are the king. The universe is telling you, stay stable in your position. You have all the angelic protection. You have all the angels surrounding you. You have your cup filled with your finances, happiness, everything. Do not think about this person anymore. Also, in the overall situation, universe is definitely guiding you to move on. Universe is saying, just take a step forward, and you're not away from abundance at all. Take a step forward in your life, and there is a lot of abundance for you, Scorpions. Universe is guiding you. If you need strength, ask Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael will give you protection, will give you strength. Yeah. Just do some meditation, just do some healing work, and you should be good. Universe is guiding you that you have all the angelic protection with you. You are the king of your life. Don't have to think about anyone else. No one can come and put you out of balance just like that. Just take a step forward. Don't juggle in your mind. Just take a step forward in your life, and everything is gonna work out. Yeah, that's the guidance from the universe for all our Scorpions for the month of October 2020. I hope you will listen to the guidance from the universe. If this reading resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Although it's a general read, it may or may not resonate with each one, but if it did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you know when my future reads come out. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.